last one, and then I'm going. I don't even care if this one sucks. Hey guys, what's going on? James 4 Drive here. So for today, we're taking the Jeep out and we're going exploring. Now this is Sunday. We don't really have a game plan. This is typically how I do my Sundays. I just load up the Jeep, find a place on Google Maps, drive there, and go exploring. Let's hop in the video and find some cool trails and see what we can get ourselves into. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I cleaned my Jeep yesterday. My carpet's all clean and I don't want to dirty it up again. I got a milk crate so that I can throw stuff in there, and I got stuff tumbling and rolling around. Let's hop on the road. The lake's really high. It was really low. And it never fails. Every time I get out on these secluded roads in the middle of nowhere, and I'm like, I'm just trying to enjoy myself. There's always a car behind me. Always, every time. Alright, so this is one of the roads that leads down to the lake. We'll come down here with their little side-by-sides, pickup trucks and stuff. There's some people over there. Cool. Little money. I drove all the way down here and I got in these big rocks and it got really rough. Yeah, I'll air down. It's like 28 PSI in these tires. I run mine at 10. It's got 30 PSI in it. No wonder this thing rides like crap. 10. Now this thing should ride much better. There's a fish skeleton. I don't know why I picked shrimp. I opened my freezer and it was the first thing that was like, hey, I could throw that in a cooler with a bag and I don't have to do a bunch of work to it. Everything else was frozen, so. But I love shrimp, so it's gonna work out. I got some butter in there already. Let's see if we can light this with this magnesium starter. I've used this thing before, but it's kind of hard to get it to, when you're trying to do it onto something, it's a lot more difficult. Come on, come on. There it goes. Hey, we got it. A splash. A little bit of lemon pepper in there. A lot of lemon pepper in there. Yeah. Good. Cook for a little while and then we'll come back. Probably gonna be really hot. Oh my gosh. That is so good. That is really good. Okay. I bought this cup for a camping trip like 2 years ago, simply to make coffee. I almost never use it for coffee. This little propane stove thing is just awesome. I love this thing. I thought these cans, I thought they would last like you would run out and you could cook like 2 or 3 meals. I've been cooking with this thing almost, I don't know, twice a month, 3 times a month I cook with this thing. It's still half full, I'm sure. And I've been using this thing. I bought this like 6 months ago. So don't let these fool you. They last forever. That was really good. Sandwich and shrimp. Yeah, whatever. It's less about what you eat and more about the experience. You know what I'm saying? All right, we're gonna get packed up here and then we'll hit the trail. So I've explored all that area over there. So I think we're gonna go this way and we're gonna go through the woods and explore the shoreline a little bit. So I have to be really careful about where I go because I'm kind of off the beaten path right now. There's nobody with me. If I get stuck, obviously it'll be a little bit harder to get out. And I'm having to read more or less, you know, where trees are at, you know, where are my anchor points. If I get stuck right here, what am I gonna tie to get me out? If there's a lot of big trees, obviously it's not that big of a deal. But if there's no trees, you know, I kind of don't really want to hit that hole. So if you see me avoiding mud holes and driving around or whatever, that's kind of the reason why. So I think this is the end of the line. Very saturated lake bed. I could keep going, but like I said, I'm by myself. If I get stuck, I'm out here by myself trying to get myself out. And I've been stuck on this lake before. I've been stuck and nobody would come get me, and I wound up spending the night in my Jeep. So my desire to do that again is absolute zero, especially because I have to work tomorrow. So this would be a really fun place to bring a Razor. There's tons of land, tons of space to ride on. All right, guys, so I think that's as far as we're gonna go. We're gonna turn around and maybe we'll catch another trail on the way back and we'll kind of navigate something. Found this peninsula, calling this James's Peninsula for now. Ain't cool? I really like this place. There's the obstacle from this side. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we're gonna see what the Jeep's gonna do. I think I might move the camera over just a little bit because I'm gonna be able to see once I'm going uphill. Come on, Jeep. Let's see what we got. Old TJ got it did, man. I didn't have faith, but then it just said she was up there. Alright guys, so I think that's going to do it for this video. We got the tires aired up. Jeep did good. Did get stuck, no problems, no issues. We got to explore quite a bit. I'd like to do some more next time. Maybe bring someone with me. That way I can kind of explore a little bit more and not have to worry about getting stuck and, you know, dealing with that dilemma. Sun's going down and it's pretty nice out here. I like it. I'll definitely have to add this to my arsenal of places to go in the future. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.